Hey, how are you doing? Are you all right? Are you doing great? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. I wish you a great day, a good day for you to spend some time with me. Okay, I appreciate that. So a lot of people have asked me question, why should I invest for retirement? Will my money really grow? Or how will I retire? I'm working every day. What makes me sure that I will be having enough money to retire and then spend off the retirement money? Is it possible? Yeah, sure, it is possible. In this video, I am going to break down in short, easy steps just for you to understand how to achieve your retirement goal. That is, you want to save a certain amount of money for retirement. How will you achieve that? How will you do that? That's what we are going to talk about. So, without further ado, let me share my computer screen with you. Say you have just joined a job, you have 30 years of work life left for you, and you are very disciplined. You want to invest $1,000 at the end of each month for your retirement. Investment for retirement. And you assume, the market, suppose you want to invest in the stock market, it can go up and down, but as a conservative estimate, assume 6% annual growth rate. That's very conservative because some years the market may grow to 10 to 15%. So I'm assuming a 6% annual growth rate. If the market does better than that, well and good, your money will grow much faster. And 30 years of 30 years of investment on a monthly basis, on a monthly, regular monthly basis. How much will the question is question, how much will your money grow to? That's your question. So I'll outline that for you. And maybe I can also highlight that. So here you are saving diligently $100, $1,000 a month for 30 years every month. Will your money grow sufficiently? That is the question you have in mind. How much will your money grow? Remember, you're investing $1,000 a month. You assume 6% annual growth rate and 30 years time horizon. But the important fact is on a regular basis, you have to invest $1,000 a month. So what I will do for you is to calculate how much it will grow to. Okay. So your annual growth rate assumed is 6%. 6% or in decimal it is 0.06. So your monthly growth rate is 0.06 divided by 12. or 0.005. Okay. And means your P is your monthly investment amount. Investment amount is often given as P is 1000. Sorry, is 1000. Okay. So the question you asked me is how much will my money grow to in 30 years? Will I be able to retire with a handsome money in my bank, handsome balance in my bank? Okay. So the formula for that is value. V is the value of the investment at the end of the investment period. Investment period. And that value is equal to P times 1 plus monthly interest rate. Let's call this, make a monthly investment is P. It is small p. Okay. Not to be not to be confused with small capital P, which is the money you're putting in. Just to make it clear, let me clarify this and make it small p. Okay, as opposed to capital P. So this is 1 plus p small p. Okay. Whole thing exponented to t minus 1 divided by p. So you ask me what is t? T is the amount of time in months, which in our case we are investing for 30 years diligently in every month. So T in our case is 30 multiplied by 12 or 360 months. Okay, so let's do the calculation then. And I will change the color of the ink. Let's say this one. So our value then becomes equal to, I'm putting $1,000 a month. I'm investing at 0.5% or 0.005 monthly interest rate, which is conservative because this works out to 6% on an annual basis, very conservative. It can be better than that, much better than that. My exponent is 30 years or 360 months minus 1 divided by 0.005. Remember, small p is the monthly interest rate. So this is then value equal to $1,000 a month, 1.005 exponented to 360 minus 1 divided by 0.005. So this is equal to, let me get rid of this negative sign. I don't know where it came from. So let me also erase this and move this a little bit up and then go back to my pen. So V is equal to, so V is equal to $1,000 a month. I have to figure out what is 1.005. Remember, that is coming from 1 plus the monthly interest rate is 0.005. Why? Because 6% interest annual basis, which is 0.06 in decimal divided by 12. So it is 1.005. In TI-84, the exponent is the second key below the right cursor key. Okay. Exponent 360. Power 360. And this is equal to 6.023 minus 1 divided by 0.005. Or in other words, value at the end of your 30 years of investment, you are diligently investing $1,000 a month. Let me this is value equal to, so equal to 1000 times 5.023, because 6.023 minus 1 is 5.03. That is in the numerator. The whole thing is divided by 0.005. So let's see how much money I get at the end, or how much money I will have in my retirement account at the with a conservative estimate of 6% growth rate. Is 1000 times 5.023 divided by 0.005. Hey, not bad. The value at the end of 30 years with a conservative growth rate of 6% is 1 million. So again, you have become a millionaire, like my example from 2 days ago. The key to all both of this is diligently investment on a regular basis will grow your money to 1,004,600. Not a small sum of money. So, will you be able to retire safely with it? Depends on what the inflation is in those days. So, you're putting $1,000 a month, assume a conservative growth rate of 6% on an annual basis, which works out to 0.005 on a monthly basis. You're putting $1,000 at the end of each month for 30 years or 360 months. Your money, the value in your savings account or in your 401k or retirement fund will be more than 1 million. Actually, 1,004,600. Not too bad. So you see here also you see the effect of compounding. Okay, effect of compounding is what grows your money, because you earn interest on interest. Okay, I stop here today. Before I stop, I want to make sure that you understand the material. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me a question. Don't hesitate. Anything can be asked. I will answer all your questions. And please, in your comment, write me where you are watching from and what else do you like me to cover. I appreciate that. And if you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And at the same time, please do not forget to click on the button. The button, bell button. The bell button is for reminding you or sending you notification every time I upload a new video. Okay. I stop here today. I'll be back tomorrow with another interesting video. Promise. Okay. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you.